Hey Sabrina, I'm going to do your chart, your numerology chart. First I have to, here's the chart, see? I typed it into this app called Cosmic Mates. It does your numerology chart and makes it a star. Look, your destiny number is 7. 7 means, the destiny number is the strongest motivational force in your life. Its vibratory power creates the impetus for the lifestyle and career you ultimately choose. How you acclimate to your environs and what and who you like in your surroundings are also affected by this dominant and potent energy force. Yeah. Do you want to see what the 7 means? Okay. You need a space in your environment where you can feel a sense of autonomy and be unencumbered by others. You're very private and cherish time at home where you can do your thing in your own quiet little alcove. Favorite activities. Most of you would rather stay home than be out on the town or socializing. The fast night life is not for you. Friends and followers. You are attracted to and by the most unique and unusual people on the planet. Hey, are you listening? This is important. Good careers. Musician, scientist, professor, engineer, writer, artist, surgeon, analyst, investigator, and Secret Service agent. Secret Service agent. Did you hear that? Oh my God. Wait, let's see if we're compatible, okay? Okay. First I'm going to find you on my app, and then I'm going to find me, and it's going to tell us if we're compatible. Whoa! Look! 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 Look, BFF! This is a close and congenial alliance bonded with love.